Ow! I don't actually know how many miles it is to the Raven, but yeah. That's right. You feel sorry for it and it bites you. Yes. I'm not interested in anything that involves having a subscription for something. I want to buy outright and be left alone. Oh, but that's not a subscription for having the camera though, is it? Yeah, well, yeah, but that's it. Yeah, it is. But can you imagine if GoPro came along and said, we're not going to sell you a camera, you can hire one? Well, you wouldn't, would you? You'd tell them to fuck off. And I think it's the same with Cardo. Why the hell would you pay someone a subscription? Fuck them. I think they're all seeing what Microsoft do and sort of thinking, and Adobe and all of those, and thinking, do you know what? Yeah, we can make more money out of that, but I want something owned outright. Because then when I've got it, I might have splashed out a lot of money, but when I've got it, it's mine. And I don't need to spend any more money each month to have something that's mine. So yeah, if you come along and say, oh no, you can have a Cardo, but you've got to, it's on subscription, not purchase, I'll say, well, I'll go online. I'll find on Amazon that there's a Bluetooth version that works quite well. I'll buy a pair, so you can have one whenever we're away. It's alright, isn't it? I get about 45 out of this one, so it'll cost me more to go around Europe than you. Possibly. I was. Oh, it's annoying, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, you do. I see Tins on Tour's going to Portugal this year. Tins is going to Portugal this year. They'll enjoy that. Yeah. Portugal, I think it's underrated. Bearing in mind the roads we found ourselves on, they were absolutely brilliant. Yeah. I know. Just stay off them, Paul. Oh, you're getting them all in the face, are you? Yeah, as long as it's not squiddles, eh? Well, I'm glad he's got a bit of a jazz on. Yeah, they are. Although I just sit in one gear at the moment, to be fair. Watch that bump. Ow! Yeah, I'll pull over just at the side of the road here and take it off the bike, somewhere where everybody can see. If that hadn't been tethered, yeah, and the camera, yeah. Oh yeah, honestly Paul, he doesn't like water. Only dog I've ever met that doesn't like water. Oh, I'm not joking, if that had been the Springer Spaniel we used to have, he'd have been in the swimming pool with you. Yeah, that was a nice little town, that, wasn't it? What's that? Fuck knows. What's the speed limit? Yeah, I know they're beginning to bring out speed camera vans that are grey rather than all the bright yellow and orange, so you don't notice them. Well, it is, isn't it? They can make all the excuses they like, but that's all it is. Oh, well, that's to make room for your hips, wasn't it? Where you parking? Well, I'm gonna go in here. Yeah. Alongside the S1000, yeah. You got enough room to get in there? Do you want me to go forward a bit? Because I can go forward and come in a bit closer. You in? Yeah. Yeah, I'll be alright.